Imagine, on board a drilling rig off the coast of Brazil, you are removing some pipework using an oxyacetylene torch. But the pipe hasn't been properly flushed, and when you cut the line, oil and mud residue ignites. Your overalls, however, do not burn, and you escape with your life. Afterwards, you learn you were wearing a garment made with Dale anti-flame fabric. For obvious reasons, this is an animated reconstruction. This, however, is a picture of the actual overall, and the worker did survive. The only thing that did burn was the logo, the only part of the garment not protected by Dale anti-flame fabric. By protecting your people, Dale Anti-Flame protects your company. Dale, situated on the west coast of Norway, has been manufacturing textiles of all kinds since 1879, and Dale Anti-Flame protected fabrics for more than 30 years. Dale Anti-Flame by Dale is a market leader in Europe and has growing international popularity. Dale Anti-Flame is a trade name for 100% cotton fabrics and blends made permanently flame-resistant in Dale's unique anti-flame process. Our network is rapidly expanding. In addition to Europe, we are represented internationally, including Australia, Asia, and America. Extensive testing of our products against our competitors clearly shows that Dale Anti-Flame is a world-leading product with regard to both safety and durability. The most important flammability test is the mannequin test performed at the Department of Human Ecology at the University of Alberta in Canada. 4 of our competitors' products were tested against one of our fabrics. The test exposes a mannequin wearing a flame-resistant garment to a flash fire for 4 seconds. The first test was performed on a Nomex 3 coverall. Here, we clearly see the dramatic shrinkage appearing at the legs. When the coverall was taken off the dummy, it became apparent that large parts of the textile were severely damaged. The second test was performed on a Nomex Delta C garment. It performed better than the previous Nomex fabric, but again, the textile became hard and brittle, and large parts of it were again severely damaged. Endura was the third fabric tested. Here, the considerable quantity of high-temperature off-gassing that appears through exposure to the flame is the relevant factor in the high figure for third-degree burns recorded for Endura. It was not possible to take the garment off the mannequin in one piece. In the fourth test on Endura Ultrasoft, we again see the considerable quantity of hot gases produced. Again, the resultant brittle garment did not come off in one piece and left some severe burn stains on the dummy. The synthetic fibers contained in the fabric had partially melted on the dummy, so it needed a thorough cleaning before the next test. The final test was, of course, with a garment made of Dale Anti-Flame fabric. There was no afterflame, minimal off-gassing, and the garment came off the mannequin in one piece, and with absolutely no damage to the dummy. The textile was still soft, durable, and with no apparent damage. Graphic representation of the data shows that Dale Anti-Flame is far superior to its competitors. Our production line is certified to ISO 9001, and every production process from the beginning to the end is closely monitored by skilled workers. The warp is prepared from 100% pure Egyptian cotton yarns, and the fabric is woven using high-speed air-jet leaves. After weaving, the fabric is prepared and finished. During the preparation, starch and impurities are removed and the fabric is bleached. And after further processes, the anti-flame chemical is applied. The final stage is where Dale's considerable knowledge and experience are essential in achieving a very high-quality product. The usual methods of producing fire-resistant textiles are through additive processes. These processes add polymers which essentially coat the fibers. To produce Dale anti-flame fabrics, we use a different process. This uses a chemical which reacts with the cellulose molecules in the cotton, giving permanent flame resistance that cannot be laundered off. In certain situations, factors other than flame resistance can be vital safety issues. For example, if workers are exposed to environments with flammable gases, a spark due to static electricity can cause explosions and be fatal. To reduce this risk factor, Dale Anti-Flame produces anti-static fabrics which include a metal grid. During the weaving process, metal threads are inserted into the fabric spaced at 8 mm intervals in both directions. This fabric effectively eliminates the risk from static electricity. Back on the production line, the permanently flame-resistant fabric now goes through the final production procedures before inspection and packing. In these latter stages, samples are taken for quality control testing. Essential tests for tear and tensile strength, abrasion resistance, shrinkage, color fastness, and most importantly, fire resistance are performed. All our products are produced, tested, and independently certified to international standards and regulations. The following footage will show you some of the tests we perform on our products, ensuring that the quality is according to standard, regulation, and technical specification. When test results confirm that our fabric conforms to our technical specifications, Dale Anti-Flame is ready for shipment. Dale Anti-Flame guarantees a first-class product to all our customers around the world. Dale Anti-Flame, protecting people, protecting your company.